Now you are going to do some language practice. Remember, when we talk about language practice, we're talking about words the author is using. So you are going to read the story called The Velveteen Rabbit. Velveteen is a type of material. And answer the questions about context clues. Remember, context clues are hints from the sentence with an unknown word. After, on the back, you can draw the Velveteen Rabbit. Now, if you finish with this before the timer goes off, you may do Lexia, but really take your time. You could even might want to use your computers and double check the meanings of the words so you can draw an accurate Velveteen Rabbit. All right, guys, great luck, and I cannot wait to see the beautiful rabbits that you draw. Once this video is over, please play the timer. You got this, guys.